Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 28th, 2025, and we're diving into Baozun's second quarter earnings report for 2025. Baozun, a leading brand e-commerce solution provider in China, has just released its unaudited financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. Baozun's performance this quarter is quite intriguing, especially given the current market dynamics in China. I'm excited to delve into the details.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Baozun reported total net revenues of RMB 2,552.7 million, marking a 6% increase compared to the same quarter last year. However, the company still posted a loss from operations. John, can you provide more insights into these figures?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by both the e-commerce and brand management segments. Despite the increase in revenue, Baozun reported an operating loss of 9.4 million. However, on a non-GAAP basis, they achieved an operating income of RMB 6.1 million, indicating some underlying profitability when excluding certain expenses.
That's interesting. What factors contributed to this non-GAAP profitability?
The non-GAAP profitability is largely due to the exclusion of share-based compensation and amortization of intangible assets. This adjustment provides a clearer picture of Baozun's operational efficiency and profitability potential.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Moving on to segment performance, Baozun's e-commerce segment generated RMB 200.2 million in revenue, while the brand management segment saw a significant 35.4% year-over-year increase. John, what are the key drivers behind these numbers?
The e-commerce segment's growth is driven by sustainable product sales and service models, particularly in categories like beauty and cosmetics. Meanwhile, the brand management segment's impressive growth is attributed to strategic initiatives, including optimizing merchandising plans and expanding marketing efforts, especially for the Gap brand.
And how is Baozun leveraging omnichannel strategies to enhance its performance?
Omnichannel expansion is a key focus for Baozun. By the end of Q2 2025, 48.5% of their brand partners were engaged in store operations across at least two channels, up from 45.8% last year. This strategy is crucial for driving growth across multiple marketplaces.
Financial metrics and cost management. Let's delve into Baozun's cost management. The cost of products increased to RMB 711.5 million, while fulfillment expenses decreased. John, what does this tell us about Baozun's operational efficiency?
The increase in the cost of products is primarily due to higher sales volumes. However, the decrease in fulfillment expenses, down to RMB 606.0 million, indicates improved logistics efficiency, particularly in e-commerce warehouse operations. This is a positive sign of Baozun's ability to manage costs effectively.
And what about their sales and marketing expenses?
Sales and marketing expenses rose to RMB 937.8 million, driven by increased digital marketing activities and the expansion of offline stores for the brand management segment. This reflects Baozun's strategic investment in growth initiatives despite the higher costs.
Future outlook and leadership statements. Looking ahead, what are Baozun's strategic priorities, and how do the leadership statements reflect their future outlook?
CEO Vincent Qiu emphasized the resilience of Baozun's business model and their commitment to strategic goals, aiming for sustained growth and long-term success. CFO Catherine Zhu highlighted the focus on high-quality growth and profitability expansion, despite market complexities. Their statements reflect a confident outlook with a clear strategic alignment to navigate challenges.
It seems Baozun is well-positioned for future growth. Any final thoughts on their strategic direction?
Indeed, Baozun's focus on refined management and value creation, along with their omni-channel expansion, positions them well for future success. Their disciplined execution and strategic initiatives are key to achieving their growth objectives.
Key takeaways. In summary, Baozun's Q2 2025 performance showcases solid revenue growth and strategic advancements, particularly in their brand management segment. Despite some challenges, their focus on high-quality growth and operational efficiency is promising. Thank you, John, for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. Baozun's strategic initiatives and market positioning make them an interesting company to watch in the coming quarters.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Baozun's performance in the comments below. Until next time.